Hi, my name is Mrs. McCormick, and I'm here to tell you about AP Human Geography. Human Geography is a jam packed learning year where you will be considering the why of where. So, for example, we will look at why do people speak a particular language in a particular country? Why do they practice a particular religion? And where are those people moving to? Where have they come from? So we look at the populations where they're living and the migration patterns where they're going to, the culture, which includes language, which includes religion. Also, we'll look at political geography, so what style of government do these places choose? And then what is their level of development? What kind of industry do they have? And do they have rural geography, urban geography, and what makes up those different places? This is not a class of studying all the names of the countries of the world. We do that a little bit, but it's not like we spend the entire year memorizing the countries and their place on the map. If you're a curious person, this is the class for you. You will leave this course understanding the world better than most adults. You are going to learn so much. And if you ever want big brain, this is the place to get it. You're going to also enjoy your travel experiences more, whether you're traveling locally, even within California, or going abroad. You're going to understand what you see a lot better, and it's just going to make the experience so much more interesting. One of the things we do is we go on a field trip to Los Angeles. We take Metrolink and we go see Alvera Street, Chinatown, and Little Tokyo to better understand the ethnic enclaves in our area. We get to sample food while we're there. It's a lot of fun. I'm also open to more field trips throughout the year, but this is all we've had opportunity to do so far. Another great thing about the class is that you get an extra GPA bump. A GPA bump is when you get an extra point added into your GPA for the class. So, for example, if you get a B in the class, it would count as an A in your GPA. So that's a nice little bump. And by the way, most students do very well in the course. I have plenty of students who get A's. Very few students fail. So it's not like, oh, it's an AP class, I'm going to fail. Like that's actually pretty rare and doesn't happen very often. Another thing that is really awesome about the class is the possibility to earn university credit as a freshman. So at the end of the year, there is the AP exam, and this is an exam put out by the same people that do SAT and ACT. They also have AP exams, and so most of the subjects at our school do have an option to take an AP class. This is the first AP option. So if you plan on taking other AP classes, this is a great place to start because it teaches you those skills that you need to do well in your AP classes. And if you pass the exam at the end of the year, which, by the way, most of my students do, if you pass the exam at the end of the year, you can get college credit as a freshman, and you're well on your way to getting through college much more quickly. So that's pretty cool. So this is the only AP class that freshmen can take. There are other honors classes. So like there's honors language arts, but this is the only AP class. This is an elective course. There's not a required social studies class your freshman year. So it is an elective. It's something that you can take as an option. You can take it instead of health. You would have to make up health in summer online if you take it instead of health, or you can take it as one of your elective options. So if you're a curious person, it's a really fun class. If you want to be able to come to the table with knowledge under your belt and sound really big brain and smart, it's a great place to come. Hope to see you there.